Mastering the art of inquiry and request letters. Hello learners! Today we are going to delve into the world of professional communication. We will specifically focus on the structure and format of inquiry and request letters. These letters are important in the professional world as they enable us to ask for information, seek clarification, or request a service or favor. Let's take a deep dive and learn together. Formatting is the first thing that your recipient will notice, even before they read your letter. It communicates professionalism and shows that you respect the recipient's time. So, whether you're writing an email or a printed letter, proper formatting should never be overlooked. In emails, simplicity and clarity are key. Let's take a look at some crucial points. 1. Subject line. This should be clear, concise, and indicative of your email's content. For instance, if you are inquiring about a product, your subject could be, Inquiry about product XYZ. 2. Salutation. Start with a formal greeting such as, Dear Mr. Smith. 3. Body. Break it into 3 parts. Introduction, why you're writing, main content, details about your request or inquiry, and conclusion. Express gratitude, provide contact info if necessary. 4. Closing. Use professional phrases like, kind regards, or, sincerely, followed by your name. 5. Signature. Include your full name, title, and contact information. Remember, keep your language formal and polite. The structure of a printed letter isn't vastly different from an email. However, the layout on the paper is more specific. 1. Sender's address, placed at the top right of the letter. 2. Date, just below the sender's address. 3. Receiver's address, on the left, starting a line below the date. 4. Salutation, similar to emails, use a formal greeting. 5. Body, same as in emails, introduction, main content, and conclusion. 6. Closing and signature, a formal closing phrase, space for a signature, and then your typed name. 7. Enclosures or copies, if any, mentioned at the bottom of the letter. This format ensures your letter looks organized and is easy to read. Now you know how to structure and format inquiry and request letters in both email and printed formats. Remember, it's not just about what you say but also how you present it. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a pro at professional communication. We hope you found this video helpful. Join us next time for more learning adventures. Happy learning!